Good evening, my friends, follower and investor into the market. Today, I am not going to give you some target of certain stock. Rather, I'll try my best so that I can play with you all with my knowledge or sixth sense. Now, what is sixth sense? Here, we can hear using our ear. We can smell. We can see. See? We can taste. We can, if you touch, then we can feel. Apart from all this fifth sense, we have to have the sixth sense into the market. If your sixth sense until unless works properly, you cannot gain. In markets, you have to have very good knowledge of the movement of the stock using the sixth sense. You have to read every movement of the stock, going up, down, up, down, up, down. It is a markets, financial markets, granted by governments. Income tax authority, they take the long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain, as well as allow you to set up your short-term capital loss, long-term capital loss. Now, everything is very legal. Here you are paying taxes. If your brokerage is high, taxes incident coming upon you is very high. You have to choose such brokerage plan where you can play and pay the minimum tax. Tax you are always paying, but brokerage house is there. They always try to eat your profits. Now you are taking risks, you are investing money, you are their customer. They should welcome you always, and where you can bargain your brokerage. I want, or my motto is very clear. Whenever you are opening up demat account and wish to trade and make investment in the equity, you have to have an idea. This all you have arranged only for gains, not for making a loss. If you continuously make loss or your capital invested start depreciating, say very minimum percent day by day, then you will be just thrown out of market. By whom? By market physically? No. By compulsion you will be out. Compulsion of yourself. Because it will be visible like you within you. In bank, if I kept money with FD, then there is a certain income and with certainty. Here I am losing every day, minute amount. So there will be a compulsion, or you will be knowingly will go out, or you yourself will exit. In the market, I said there is a rule, everybody is not earning. 5, 10, 15% maximum they are earning. 5% they are earning much. 10%, 5 to 10% they are earning moderately, and 10 to 15% they are earning more marginally. Now, I said basic educations of the market, basic education of company you must have. If you assume this market as a pure gambling, then there is no certainty that you are going to have much capital into your pockets after expiring like 5-10 years or passing 5-10 years here. Here people comes, spend 6 months, 1 year, they vanishes. Only very people, they stay in the markets with profit because they are in profit. आज जो स्टॉक हम देख लिया है, सोच रहा था खरीदेंगे, हमको पोर्टफोलियो में लेना है, हम लिया नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग, और सोच रहा था देख लेते हैं और धीरे धीरे ऊपर चला गया। जो स्टॉक आपको अच्छा लगा है, आप सोचते हैं इसको ले लेते हैं, ये तो बढ़ने वाला है, आपको सेंस बोलते हैं, आप ले लिए और लेने के बाद वो उधर स्टैग्नेंट हो गया और धीरे धीरे खत्म हो गया। स्टॉप लॉस इज देयर, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड स्टॉप लॉस। हम जो स्टॉक खरीदेंगे, खाली एक ही बात हमको सोचना है, हम इसको अगर मान लीजिए 100 में लेते हैं तो 95 का नीचे जाता है तो हम रॉन्ग है, इसको हमको समझ लेना है। चाहे 94 में जाके फिर वो 150-200 हो जाने दीजिए। वो जो हम लोग ईगो है उसको आप सामने खड़ा कर देंगे, नहीं आई एम राइट, then it will be difficult situation for you। और जिसको आप नहीं लेते हैं, आप इंतजार करते इसके नीचे जाते, तो आपको मान लेना चाहिए 100 में हम अभी ये 100 रुपया प्राइस है, ये नीचे जाने वाला है और 102, 4, 5, 10 हो गया है। आपको समझ लेना है जो ये जो प्राइस है 110 हो गया, 100 का 100 10 हो गया 2 दिन में, तो या 4 दिन में या 6 दिन में धीरे धीरे या नीचे जाके फिर ऊपर आ गया है, आपको लगता है नीचे जाएंगे, तो आप रॉन्ग है। ये जो हम लोग का ईगो है उसको निकालना है। आप बोलेंगे मेरा ईगो नहीं था बचपन में था, तो ईगो छोड़ के आना पड़ेगा स्टॉक मार्केट में। आई मे बी रॉन्ग, यू मे बी रॉन्ग, एवरीवन मे बी रॉन्ग, लेकिन हमको जो सलाह है, तो आप कोई भी स्टॉक में जाएंगे, बिफोर गोइंग इनटू द स्टॉक और जंपिंग इनटू द स्टॉक, you have to have read balance sheet. If you say I cannot read, I'm not literate much, don't come into the market. Don't mind friends, don't come into the market. Bank FD is there, okay, you purchase mutual fund, you are playing on the stock. If you don't know or don't understand, don't even try your best to understand the balance sheet. How is it possible? Quarter result you don't know, final account you don't know, don't try to learn even, then how it is possible? 2 days, 3 days back, I spelled out 2 company, Morganite India, CMI FPI. Both has gone up from that price. CMI FPI तो एकदम ऊपर चला गया, 700 का नीचे 700 में बोला था, वो आज 872 ऐसा 75 कुछ गया है। I invested, I am long term, I am not looking into the price. You could say क्यों हम सेल नहीं किया, प्रॉफिट बुकिंग इज नेसेसरी, यस नेसेसरी। इफ यू फील दैट एट द जंक्चर स्टॉक विल नॉट मूव अप, देन ओनली। कल गिर गया 10 रुपया 20 रुपया, हो सकता है गिर सकता है, फिर वो ऊपर जाएगा ही जाएगा। अरे बाबा 2 दिन 3 दिन 10 दिन वेट करो ना, मॉर्गनाइट वेट फॉर ए मंथ, व्हाट इज देयर। हम लोग जुआरी है, नॉट जुआरी, इन्वेस्टर्स। ओके फ्रेंड्स, I'll not speak much. 6th sense you must utilize. Prior to that, make a study, make a habit to study, make a habit to learn. Either you better invest in the mutual fund. It will be done by somebody else. You get return less, no problem, but ultimately chronologically you get much more return. Okay, I'll explain mutual fund in coming days. Let me give time. I have another channel. Those friends, an investor wants to learn accountancy, financial management, they can visit my channel RJEM, Ratan Gangopadhyay Education Madhya. Another YouTube channel is there, as well as the very young people, they are aspirant for CA, CMA, CS, as well as MBA, or somebody in your family, junior young fellows, aspirant, they can also visit. I'm going to start financial management over there. I'll say you, try to explain myself my best way, time value of money, how to calculate the money and its time value. Thereafter, chronologically, you say why I am doing this? I love education. I love all these learnings. Thank you. Good night. Thank you.